Hello Udemy, I'm Shazad Ahmed from Shikzi.com and welcome in lecture number 9. Today we are talking about concatenation. How can you use concatenation and what is concatenation? For suppose if you want to combine two values and you want to show two values at a single line. So how can you do that? In the last lecture you learned how can you define your data types, like integer. You learned what are data types, you learned what is array, and now you know very well how can you create your variables using PHP. Okay, so first suppose I have $1 value. For suppose I'm saying hello, okay, and I'm going to assign this value to this variable. Okay, so now write echo, go to your page which is PHP, make sure I have installed my XAMPP inside my E drive, and we have created our folder named PHP, and in this folder means in the PHP folder we have created the index.php file. So whenever you want to access the PHP, it's automatically execute your index file. Okay, so refresh page, so you can see we have hello. Okay, so now I have another second variable which is named to, I can say second, and now I'm saying make sure it's totally depend upon you. Either you are make sure this is hello, so either you are using double quotations for your string, or you are using single quotation for your string. Okay, so now I'm saying world. Go to your page, refresh the page, you can see you have two different strings and with two different values, but it's showing you in a single line. So okay, so first of all, if you are saying that you have two variables like this and you want to show in a single line, so how can you show that? I'm saying echo 1 dot second. Make sure I'm saying please concatenate or merge these two values. Okay, go to your page, refresh the page, you can see you have still your two string in a single line. Okay, so for suppose I have an email, okay, and I'm saying this email is info@shikzi.com. okay, leave this. Okay, so now I'm saying if the user, I'm saying this email is invalid. Which email? I'm saying this email. Now I'm concatenating, or I'm going to concatenate with this string and this variable. Okay, so you can see you have stored your email address inside your variables. Now go to your page, refresh the page, you can see it's saying this email. Now you can concatenate another string like this. I'm saying is invalid. Refresh the page, so now you can see we are saying this email is invalid. You can also use the tags inside your string. Okay, go to your page, refresh the page, so now you can see view page source, you can see we are using strong tag for our email, okay, purpose. Okay, so in this way you can concatenate with your string. So you can see you have a string, you have variable, and you have another string, and now you are concatenating this string with this variable and this string with this variables. Okay, so that's why we are using dot. So with dot you can concatenate, or in simple words you can merge two values. Okay, so I'm saying I have a value. First, suppose I'm saying I have x. Okay, x is a variables. In this time, okay, in this time I'm saying this is, I'm assigning this, or I'm saying this is null. Okay, null is also a data type. Make sure null is also a data type. So in this time I'm saying, okay, x, and I'm saying dot equals to, now I'm saying this is my paragraph. Okay, now I'm saying x dot equals to, don't worry, I'm going to explain what's going on. Okay, and in this I'm saying x dot equals to, and I'm saying this is my paragraph. Okay, so echo your x, refresh the page. You can see, go to your page and right click view page source. Now you can see you have a single variables. Now you are concatenating the new values with previous values. Okay, so this is empty. So now in this line I'm saying add this value but keep the previous value. So this is null, so that's why it's not adding this. So this is the first value, first of all. So this is first value. Now I'm saying add this string, but you have to keep the previous value. So what is the previous value? This is the previous value, and now it's adding this. And in this line you are saying add this tag, and you have to keep the previous values. So these are the previous values, and you are concatenating, or you are merging with three values. Okay, so in this way you can concatenate your string or variables, or you can use your tags inside your script. So I hope you are enjoying our course, and if you are facing any problems, feel free to contact us, or in simple words you can send a message to Udemy, or you can leave a comment below any video on YouTube or on shakesy.com, which is our official website. Okay, so thank you for watching.